Hello everyone, welcome to HOI, the house of intellects, the home of smart quizzes and fun facts. Answer these 30 GK questions and see how sharp your mind is. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's dive in. And don't forget to count your score and let us know in the comment section. And there's a bonus question for you at the end. Here comes the first question. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Yes, it's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. How often are the Olympic Games are held? They are held for every 4 years. Which country is the culture home of sumo wrestling? You guessed it right, it's Japan. What is the fundamental unit of life? And the answer is cell. What does NaCl stands for? Yes, it's sodium chloride. Who discovered the sea route to India? And the right answer is Vasco da Gama. In which year did the First World War break out? It happened in the year 1914. Can you name the chemical symbol of gold? Yes, it's AU. Who won the first IPL trophy? Guess the correct answer if you're a cricket lover. Yes, it's Rajasthan Royals. Name the largest planet in the solar system. Yes, it's Jupiter. Who was the India's first Prime Minister after gaining independence? And the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. What is another name for the Harappan civilization? Yes, that's the right answer. It's Indus Valley. ISRO's first solar mission is named as? Yes, that's right. It's Aditya L1. What type of blood cell is responsible for immunity? Did you guess the right answer? Through which process do plants evaporate water? The answer is transpiration. Who is the current Prime Minister in United Kingdom? It's Keir Starmer. Who is widely recognized as the god of cricket? Did you guess the right answer? It's Sachin Tendulkar. The production of insulin occurs in which human organ? And the answer is pancreas. Can you guess who was the director of Titanic? Yes, it's James Cameron. Which planet is known as the red planet? You guessed it right, it's Mars. What is the smallest continent in the world? It is Australia. Which batsman has the top individual score in ODI history? The answer is Rohit Sharma. Name the artist who painted the Starry Night. It's Vincent van Gogh. Name the only metal that is liquid at room temperature. Yeah, that's right, it's mercury. What is the official duration of football game? The correct answer is 90 minutes. Which country is known as Land of Midnight Sun? Yes, it's Norway. The Sahara Desert is located on the which continent? It is located in Africa. Can you tell who developed the theory of relativity? The answer is Albert Einstein. Which player has the most runs scored in one specific IPL tournament? It's none other than Virat Kohli. Taj Mahal was built by which ruler? The correct answer is Shah Jahan. Here comes a bonus question. I fly without wings and cry without eyes. What am I? Any guesses? Don't forget to comment your final score. Did you guess it right? Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you again.